So make sure you have finished all of the front side of the paper. So number 3 here, a hollow cylindrical iron pipe is of length 28 centimeters, which looks like they put that in the picture. Its outer and inner diameters are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Respectively just means that it's exactly as they say it. So the 8 goes to the outer and the 6 goes to the inner. So respectively just means they said it in the same order. Find the volume of the pipe. Okay, so let's take a look. So we want to find the volume of the pipe. And the volume of the pipe is the pink part, because this white part in the middle is the hole. So the pipe is the pink part that wraps around the whole thing. So we basically have to find the volume of this outside cylinder. So we're going to find the volume of this outside cylinder. And then we're going to take away the volume of the inside cylinder. Because if we had this whole thing, this outside one would be if this whole pink was filled in, but we don't want the whole thing because we have to take out this hollow part, this inside. So we need to look at the 2 cylinders, and that way we can find the volume of both and subtract, because this is going to be minus, right? So let's see if we have some dimensions. Let's talk about the outside cylinder. So it looks like it's 8 going all the way across. So remember the formula for a cylinder is going to be pi r squared times the height, right? Now it looks like we don't have the r, we have the diameter. So if we had the diameter, that's 8 all the way across. So how far is it halfway across? We just need the r. So in this case, the r is going to be 4. So it's going to be pi times 4 squared times, what's the height? I hate when it does that. The height of this whole thing is 28. So we're going to have to put that all in our calculator. Pi times 4 squared times 28. So put that all in your calculator. So I've got 1407.4335. Okay, and then I want to find the volume of the small cylinder, which is this inside piece. So it says that the diameter all the way across here is going to be 6. So that means all the way across here is going to be 6. So can you find the radius then? It's going to be half as long, right? So that means our radius is going to be 3. Okay, so for this one, you're going to have to go ahead and find the volume of this guy using this formula right here. And then we said we're going to subtract them. So do the big one, take away the little one, and then you're going to be able to get the volume of just the pipe without the inside in there. Okay, let me show you the other one. Go ahead, finish that problem. And the very last one, let's take a look at it, make sure we don't have any weird things going on. So we have a cylinder containing a metal sphere is being filled with water. The height of the cylinder is 24 centimeters and the radius of the sphere is 3. So you can go ahead and label all your stuff, right? How much water will the cylinder hold? So it looks like we are gonna fill all the way up with water. So you basically need the whole thing, but then obviously there's no water right here where the sphere is. So you're gonna have to take out the volume of the sphere. So it looks like you're gonna be finding the volume of both of those pieces in order for you to figure out how much water it will hold, because there's no water where the sphere is. Okay, make sure you finish this paper and then finish the worksheet from yesterday.